with Excalibur to get my horse. Everybody was go fight.
Do it.
Do it. You can't do it.
You have to. Oh wait.
Catch me off guard.
Get Gracie.
Serena, go get Gracie.
Dude, get Gracie.
What the hell is a Gracie?
You know what it is? Alright, forget it.
Unless he shakes.
How come this isn't working?
No, please don't put that on now. That's
Why?
enough, okay?
Stiff.
Oh, I really need you to watch.
See what's so funny around
We're
here.
laughing at you in this picture.
Hey.
Well, your brother too.
You picked up an Ellis Island.
Sure. Where do you get those pictures?
Your brother's so serious. like he was in no. Something happened.
The statue.
I don't want to be here.
like you just took something away from him.
Anthony,
Hey.
you can't go.
Right.
That's what you're going to see
I have that
on
5
TV.
times
You
right
gotta
now.
go nice and slow.
Don't mind his business. Get on with it.
Thank you very much.
How's
Next
that?
lesson next week. Everyone can call me in the morning.
Cute little baby.
Yeah, that's actually another party. That was nothing on here.
We don't know those people.
I have to
Just
admit,
take
I
pictures.
forgot about that.
Yeah, he takes everybody's pictures.
Good luck, Jody.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
See you soon.
Thanks for the pots and everything.
Bye. See you soon.
Said it too loud. I think it's drugs.
Right. Gracie.